Hello, Mark here. In this video, may panibago na naman tayo pag-uusapan na posibleng makakatulong sa inyong possible IT capstone project. Kung ano man yun, check natin. So disclaimer lang, yung introduce ko sa inyo is not really my idea. So this one has been developed already by other companies. Itong tinutukoy ko na Deadman Switch. So Deadman Switch is an application wherein once you died, whatever na nakaprepare mo message is automatically masasend sa intended nitong mga recipients. Pwedeng sa family members mo or pwedeng sa mga close friends mo. Parang ano to, one last chance for you to say goodbyes to them when you can. So parang ganun yung pinakatulong ng Deadman Switch. Now, how does this work? So, itong app is once you created an account, may capability ka to form a message and set a receiver on that message. Tapos, every day, parang need mong i-confirm na you're still alive to the app. Why? Kasi once na may ilang days na interval na hindi ka na napagparamdam, iisipin na nung app na deads ka na. That's whatever na nakaprepare mo message, automatically masasend sa loved ones mo. Ganun siya. So, how do you confirm na you're still alive? So, itong app na to is magsasend siya ng link sa'yo, ay ng email sa'yo na nagko-contain ng link. Tapos, you have to click that link for the app to know na you're still alive. Or, pwede mong i-download na lang yung app nito na mobile app nito equivalent. Tapos, may button doon. Just saying na I'm alive. Tapos, i-click mo yun. That's another way for the app to know na buhay ka pa. As kapag ilang days na hindi ka na nagparamdam, doon niya isipin na that's ka na. Tas, ganun nga ulit. Send niyo automatically yung message mo to your friends or to your family members. So, ano yung parang makukuha natin learning upon this invention na to ng ibang company? So, it introduces the concept of automatic sending of messages. Automation ng messages. So we can try to modify it and use it on other na use case scenarios. Say for example, naisip ko is pwede mo siyang gamitin on automatic sending of birthday messages to your lots of friends. Kasi may mga tao na super friendly, may times na hindi mo na mabati yung mga kakilala mo kasi sobrang dami mong kilala. Let's say for example, 100 yung friends mo, super friendly ka. Yung 100 friends na yun, syempre, isa-isang birthday yun, kada isang tao. Alam na matandaan mo lahat ng mga birthdays ng mga yun. So, ang naisip ko is, pwede kang mag-develop ng app na isa-set mo lang yung mga birthdays sa mga taong to. Tapos, yung app na to yung bahala mag-send ng birthday message mo or customized birthday message mo to them once na birthday na nila. Kaso nga lang, yung ganong concept, I don't think it's enough to be considered a capstone project. Parang lang siya, simpleng project on a simple subject na pang second year, third year, ganun. Pero on a capstone project, it's not enough. So, it's up to you to brainstorm any other technologies or inventions na magagamit ng automation na part para masaya. So, ayun lang. So, yung purpose ng itong video na to is we analyze an already existing na invention. Tapos, in-identify natin yung pinaka-main feature niya and tinry natin na what if i-apply natin to on another kind of problem. Tapos, nag-introduce ako sa inyo ng example. Now, it's up to you on how to tweak it, modify it a bit para magkaroon ng another invention. That's it. So, I hope na may na-spark akong sa inyo, motivation, na-motivate kayo na makapag-build ng panibagong invention. And good luck sa inyong future capstone project. So, that's all for this video. I hope may natutunan kayo and watch out for my next videos. Yun lang. Have a nice day. Bye.